And now let's meet the starters first for the BFP Lady Firefighters. Open spiker number 4, Fire Officer 1, Tony Diaz. Open spiker number 17, Fire Officer 1, Benz Bentic. Middle blocker number 18, Fire Officer 1, Fanny Adolfo. Middle blocker number 6, Fire Officer 1, AJ Mamangun. Opposite spiker number 8, Fire Officer 2, Gang Abellana. Setter number 7, Fire Officer 2, Ban Sosmilio. And libero number 14, Fire Officer 1, May Magpantay. Head coach of the Lady Firefighters is Fire Officer 3, Maylin Franz Bautista. And now let's meet the starting lineup for the SSS Pension Protectors. Team captain and setter number 7, Susan Larion. Middle blocker number 14, Pitoy Samuang. Middle blocker number 17, RB Camacho. Opposite spiker number 15, Janjan Samosino. Outside hitter number 9, Jean Reforma. Outside hitter number 4, Pao Sea. And libero number 5, Rosel Salarda. Coaches of the Pension Protectors are Jonathan Cedric Eugenio, Jerome Cyril Eugenio, and Richard Nino Tolentino. UVL fans, let's get ready to serve, spike, and set with the BFP Lady Firefighters and the SSS Pension Protectors. This is the UVL Season 2 hashtag win and win, win in sports and win for charity.
And thank you very much. We're just about ready to get the ball into serve. Alam mo, itong SSS, they love the grind out games. Now, they are going to have to play, adjust. Again, as you mentioned, Pascual, who is under the weather. And we hope you get well soon, ano ha?
Yes.
And alam mo, it's hard to get your the most important player, I think, is your set.
Yes, siya yung playmaker eh.
Yep. Underway. First attack by SSS. Magpantay is there at the back row. And the first point belongs to the Lady Firefighters.
You know, itong Lady Firefighters, 2 reasons kung ba't gusto nila manalo today. 1, para makabawi sila sa loss nila in the first round against SSS. At pangalawa, because birthday ni Coach Franz Bautista. 35th birthday. Happy birthday, Coach.
Kaya pala nagkantahan to mga to kanina ng warm-up. Okay. Second point of BFP already on the board.
Yes, BFP is known to deliver mga service aces. Kaya kailangan talaga yung serve receive ng SSS very tight.
Benz Bentic is all set to serve anew. They are ahead 2-0. Saya, Sangmoyang. Here comes the set by Josmilios back in the starting lineup as the center. There's a joust at the net. And Larion says, get out of there. Slap that time by Reforma. And the first miss hit done by the BFP. Tony Diaz unable to get it across.
Yes, Sang Muang doing a good job in net defense. Very important yun dahil masyadong madaming artillery itong BFP.
But she gets tired na rin. Alam mo, hindi na rin spring chicken itong si Pitoy. No? Alam naman niya yun. So she just enjoys sa... Alam mo kanina doon sa convenience store sa labas? Pag-ikot ko siya pala nasa likod ng pila tapos binati ako. Magandang umaga po.
Wow, Tagalog na Tagalog.
Kahit naman nung naglalaro pa yan sa Shakey's Building, nagtatagalog na yan. Mantala, tabla ang score natin dito sa first set, 2-all. Josmilio will set down the middle. Block by Sangmuang but block out.
Yeah, si Adolfo, she knew na si Sang Muang was gonna go up against her sa block. Kaya she used the block. Lumabas yung bola to the block, got the point for their team.
3-2 count, BFP ahead. Josmilio is all set to serve. Sails in cleanly. Problem, man. No problem that time by Stephanie Adolfo who puts a finger on it.
Again, another player sa BFP na malakas ang service, ace agad. So, ang hirap talaga, mabigat yung kanilang mga services.
Hirap talunin din itong team na tuloy-tuloy na nananalo. 9 straight ang kanilang naitala. Sang Muang blasts away at it. And hindi free ball, pinahalo. Itinaas, Saya will strike. Back row action. Here comes the set by Josmelio. Still very much alive. Seiya, good spike. And let's see what happens in this long rally. Camacho is in the back row. Seiya will hit at it. This is the first long rally of your match. Double contact. Always the long rallies end up in an error.
Alam ni Josmelio na double yung contact niya because halos hindi pa natatawag ng referee. Tumalon-talon na siya sa floor. She knew it.
Sana huwag makita. Sana huwag makita. Sana hindi tawagin. Tinawag na. 4-3 ang ating bilang. Underhand serve. Now see that a lot nowadays. But that's an open area. BFP by 2 now.
And Abellana is one of the go-to players of BFP.
Correct.
Siya yung parating, well, hindi naman parati, pero most of the time, player of the game.
And that's Gang Abellana and 5-3 count. Meanwhile, we have the second referee clarifying the procedure. Something that we ask the referees and the officials to teach the players.
Yeah.
Yung pagpasok at paglabas ng libero. Something plus yung rotation na you can always ask even at any level, but more so here if you're not sure of who's next in terms of serving. That's unreachable, and Camacho ran out of space.
Malayo yung pinanggalingan ni Abellana, pero nakita niya as she ran towards the ball, yung open spot between zones 4 and 5. Yan yung talagang parating naiiwan na bukas as well as yung zone 1.
Which is the target, usually of the other side. Fanny Adolfo sends it into the net. We have a 2-point lead by the BFP. Sangwang will serve. I'm sure she misses her homeland of Thailand, but I'm sure she's happy that she's still playing. Camacho with a fingertip on that one brings them within 1.
This time, ang BFP naman ang nahirapan sa service ni Sangwang, that it went over the net at nandun naman agad si Camacho to take the point.
Here's Pitoy serve. Bagpantay the libero. Here's a difficult set. They make do. Here comes a middle attack. Camacho. It's playable, and Josmelio heaves it over. Sangwang, Camacho down the middle, and it's a miss.
Medyo na off position lang si Camacho. She was the one who received it, and she just had a difficult time going back into position.
7-5 count. BFP with the early lead. Joust, and no problem that time. Another fingertip motion at the net.
Alam mo ang BFP kasi kung hindi siya service ace, out of system ang SSS because loaded ang kanilang services.
Exactly. Ai Elma is with us. Nice to meet you. Ai, go.
7 Chiki sa last match ng BFP laban sa DFA Emissaries, they won in straight sets. Naging maganda ang run ng BFP to a 9-win streak. Alam naman natin na nagsimula itong Team BFP with a lot of doubters at sunod-sunod ang kanilang pagkakatalo. Pero sabi nga ni Coach Franz, pinagtibay na sila ng kanilang basic training sa Bureau. They're a new team composed of bona fide BFP employees with no local and foreign imports from outside the Bureau. Kahit nasabihin ng iba na hindi sila ang kalakasan ngayong team this season, mas ginaganahan itong Lady Firefighters to bring their A game in every match. Dagdag pa ni Coach Franz, they are just keeping their eyes to the sky and their feet on the ground. 7 Chiki?
Mahirap maglakad ang pagka ang eyes mo nasa sky, miss. Subukan mo, maglakad ka. Maglakad ka with your eyes in the sky. Mababangga mo lahat ng sasakyan. To si Coach Franz, makantsawan niya. No, I know what you say. I know what you mean. I'm not kidding, of course. Lolokohin ko to si Coach Franz. Sige nga, maglakad ka nakatingala sa langit.
Pero sabi nga ni Coach Franz, they go by 3 C's: connection, chemistry, at communication.
Oh,
At
diba?
nakikita mo naman yan sa kanila.
Maalam gumawa ng mga acronym
Oo.
para madaling tanda ng players. Magmangon, AJ shot in play. Good spike and mishandled. It's a lift. Good call.
Yeah, catch and lift there. Ayan ang ating first referee, si Joy Imus.
Si Joy, parang si Josie Del Rosario yan.
Oo nga.
Ano yan, tight ship. Magpatakbo ako pag si Josie nagre-referee, lalo na yung foreign teams. Proud na proud ako kay Josie.
Yes, ako din.
Sabi ni Josie sa akin, sir naman, trabaho lang yan. Oo nga, pero proud ako sa'yo. Bakit ba? AJ Mamangon is there. Camacho, standing spike. Osmilio, she likes Mamangon. And Mamangon delivers.
You know, Mamangon, that wasn't really a hard hit, pero it was a intentional hit. Alam mo na, eto, tingnan natin. There goes that hit. Pinatama lang niya sa fingers ng blockers, and that created, eto na, a big problem for SSS.
AJ serving at 4-point lead by the Lady Firefighters. Oh, that won't make it for Grace Ann Reforma. Kulang ng hook.
Oo nga, hook. Correct.
Mahirap gawin, pero pwede. Posible yan. You look funny in training when you do it, but when you get to do it in the game, it's useful. Reforma slaps it in. Osmilio attacks. Combination play does not work cleanly. The top, Camacho ends up with nobody to help her.
You know, si Bettino, siya wait, is that Bettino? No, 17. Si Bentic. Pinantayin lang niya yung hitter ng SSS. Tapos tumalon siya on time, nabalik niya yung bola ng mabilis. Kaya nakapunto sila agad.
Exactly. The serve of AJ Mamangon is in play. Osmilio. And that is delivered upon cleanly.
You know, Bentic is not that tall of a player, but she jumps really high. She uses her arm swing to pull her up and to deliver great swings like that. Fast arm swing.
A sub is made on the SSS side. Rosel Gomez, the one we featured earlier today, pulls out Camacho, and Regine will sit down. This serve by AJ in play. Uh-oh! Hijack.
Oh, hi.
No whistle. We play. Akala kasi ng BFP tapos na yung point. Akala nila tapos na napito na, pero walang pito si Rep.
Oo, pag walang pito, continue the game.
Gomez will serve.
Wow, it is really good to know na nasa investment pala siya, no?
Wow.
Yeah, galing sa math.
Nice drop. Reforma. Sang Muang sets it up for Reforma, and they produce the point.
Oh, good communication between Sang Muang and Reforma. That wasn't a high hit. So, Sang Muang wanted a fast play. And sure enough, the blocker wasn't there. The floor defense wasn't prepared. Nabatukan tuloy si Reforma.
Masarap na batok na resulta ay punto. 5-point lead, however, by the BFP as Gomez's serve is being played out. Gomez digs it up from very deep and very low. Reforma hits it long and wide.
Reforma tried to make something out of that set. Kailang malayo malayo yung kailangan niyang hinabol. Ito yung birthday girl na si Coach Franz.
Runs a very, very nice, orderly, and tight ship
Yes.
to the BFP, actually.
Oo nga.
Here comes the set. Sang Muang standing spike. Here's Osmilio, lifts it up. Nice slap that time, but it's very much in play. And it's a bungled attempt by the SSS. They're down by 7.
Right, a mishit there by Reforma. Nauna yung talon sa lundag.
Exactly. Benz Bentic is there in the service area with a 7-point lead. Set up for Sang Muang. And magpantay, unable to get it. IE has a report. IE, go.
7, Chiki, unang sali ito ng SSS sa Liga at pang-anim sila ngayon sa team standings. Ngayong kalaban nila ulit ang BFP. Nag-ensayo sila ng simulation ng galaw ng BFP para mapaghandaan. Main focus ng pension protectors ay ang makounter ang opensa at mabasa ang depensa ng Lady Firefighters. Target ni Coach Tan ng weakest spot ng depensa ng BFP. Main goal pa din ng team ay syempre ang maipanalo ang bawat laban nila, dagdag ni Coach Tan. Kahit na madalas hindi sila pinapalad sa mga games ngayong season, tiwala pa rin ito sa kanyang mga players at alam niyang sa bawat ensayo patuloy silang lang natututo. 7 Shiki?
Yan.
Totoo yan. Alam mo,
Oo.
hindi masama ang laro nila. May halong malas din eh. Like yung game last time around against the Comelec, they had a few calls that didn't go their way, but
Yeah.
not without heart throughout the match. Here comes a lively exchange. Another long rally. The third, I think. Sam Wang tries to end the madness, but it's kept alive by BFP to the end row. And Sam Wang says, let me try again. It is stopped with one hand. It is elevated, slapped around, set up by Larion. Ayaw nang tumalon ni Pitoy. Tatayuan ko na lang. Off the hands of Sam Wang. Another long rally. Who will make the error here? Yep, it's not returned by the BFP.
You know, yung mga blocks ni Samwang, although they're not stuffed blocks, ang laki-laki ng tulong because it slows down the
Correct.
speed of the ball of the hitters of BFP.
Gives the other floor players a chance to get to the ball.
Right.
Nice set, but late recovery by Pane Adolfo, and Sayas sends it into the net.
Pero you gotta love what Larion is doing, who's the converted setter now for SSS. Iniiba-iba din niya, no? Binibigyan ng chance si Reforma, si Seiya. Hindi lang siya parati kay Pitoy.
At saka sinisimplihan lang yan. Dig pass tayo buong araw. Hindi naman ako mag-set ng toss kung hindi ko naman kaya.
Right.
Sang Kawang with the delivery.
Ang ganda kasi nung set ni Larion, even if it was a dig pass, it was high and it wasn't really spinning.
Samosino is in the game for SSS. Giles Sayam loses out in that battle. Just too much space in favor of Adolfo. Pane Adolfo will serve. BFP ahead by 5. Samwang, nice deflection. Osmilio. This is a cross-court shot. Very much in play. Seiya, high up. Well, Seiya delivers.
Samosino doing a good job as the setter now for SSS. Ang ganda ng mga taas niya ng bola. That's why you had that attack that earned the point for SSS.
Jennifer Sumalinog is going to see action for the first time for the BFP. Jen is going to play at the opposite spiker position. 4-point lead by the Lady Firefighters. Magpantay screaming at the ball as if to tell her teammates, wow! But is it in?
It was in.
Kaya pala siya sumigaw. Misread. Inaas ni Sumalinog. And 2 straight points by the SSS. They're within 2.
Samwang now creating that momentum for her team. Kaya timeout na muna si BFP.
UNT Volleyball Season 2 would like to thank the following sponsors. We thank Academy for bringing sportsmanship to life. Shawarma Shop, the first original volleyball table shawarma in the Philippines. Basic protection, sigurado para sa mga pamilya. Palace Beach, sportswear, quality matters. And the events
Pinapakita nyo, maayos naman. Tuloy-tuloy na siya. Itong game na natin.
Tinuro ka kanina abang tayo sa receive ba? Hardball yung serve ni ni Ate Tay. Short. Kaya hindi wag tayong kampante sa serve niya. Kasi masyadong mabilis ang bola niya. Let's go. Fire!
Hardball nga ang mga services ni Samwang, especially, with her international experience, being part of the Thai national team. You can, alam mo yung muscle niya, muscle memory na lang yun, di ba?
Hindi tumatanda yun.
Oo, lumalabas.
Yung talon siguro, yung hangin, not as strong as before. But that comes with the age, di ba? In the meantime, good counter Maybe that's a good timeout by the
Yeah.
BFP because they cut that rally down.
Alam mo si Coach Franz, meron din yung 3 R's. Reset, restart, and refocus. And that's what they did after that timeout. Kaya nakapuntos agad.
Mahilig siya sa acronyms.
Oo, madaling tandaan.
It becomes a jump toss.
Oop.
Muntik na yan, borderline yun.
Oo nga.
Meantime, tinaas ni Osmelio. Iniwanan. And Salarda was not ready for it. Salarda surprised by it.
Abeliana's hits are really fast. Kaya kung hindi ka prepared, talagang mahirap i-compute kung kukunin mo ba siya overhead or underhand.
Tawagin mo pa rin kung kanino may bibigay. Kung kanino ibigay, basta tumas, palo. Palo, ha?
Bawi ka.
Simulan muna natin, receive muna. Receive muna. Tama. Okay lang yun, okay lang yun. Nagkakamali talaga. Kalma lang. Puro papunta sa yung lalaki doon. Hindi, yung lalaki doon. Ganun talaga pumapalo. Doon. Puro down the line. Pupunta sa mukha ko. Ano yun, lalaki pumalo yun.
Magpa-block si kaya butas yung likod niya.
Ge.
Isipin mo si Coach Suka.
Score tayo tapos enjoy na lang. So, SS! Score!
Oh, pero laki ng problema nila pero nakatawa pa rin tong SSS. Ganun,
Oo nga.
ganun dapat ang attitude sa buhay.
Tsaka I think naiintindihan ng coaching staff na 10 lang na players ang available
Yep.
ngayon for SSS. So they're really trying to find the right mix. Kaya ang ganda rin nung sinabi ng isang coach dun sa libero na nagkakamali, ganyan talaga. Pero bawi na lang dapat.
Puro libero coach nila eh.
Oo.
Mga liberos lahat yan eh. Samantala, etong serve na itong malutong. Samosino becomes a setter but a good counter on the block score.
You know, si Mamangon was watching who the attacker would be from SSS. Binantay niya, sinundan niya. Tiningnan niya yung shoulder saan nakaharap. Kaya natsyempohan niya ng sakto yung palo.
And AJ Mamangon has contributed 4 points so far for the cause of the BFP. And mishandled. BFP now with a 6-point lead.
Sometimes kasi when you're not in position, nagugulat ka sa sa tira ng kalaban mo. That's why it's important that you always know how to guard your zone.
Always go back to yung defensive position
Oo.
nyo.
Yes.
Defensive philosophy nyo. Ano yung basa nyo sa kabila. In the meantime, Osmelio, Mamangon the fake.
Nice.
Oh, well done on the play.
Yeah, ganda. Hindi mo madalas makita yon, but that play, double play there, nicely done.
I think it's a work in progress for them. They're trying it. If it works, fine. If it doesn't, we'll work on it again. 23-16. Before you know it, we're gonna see running plays.
Yeah.
We're gonna see slides.
Exciting.
Sabi mo nga di ba? Nag-post ka nga It's nice to see how the teams have improved.
Yes.
In the meantime, in for the first time, si Krisa Madalugdog. Ang babaeng 124 ang hairpin sa ulo. Pag ikaw nasabit sa netan, hala ka, hindi ka namin tatanggalin yan. 24-16. Oh, labas!
Good eye by Sangwang. Sinundan niya. Nakita niya. Naku, ang taas pa nito. Shoulders up. So she let go of that ball. Good decision.
At home dito si Sangkwang sa Pilipinas. Tagal na rin.
Oo.
Ay!
Inside.
Side. Misread. Pausea. And we are done.
That's it. Ang BFP, they played their game. Actually, they were relaxed. They were comfortable. Maingay sila inside the court and they started their rhythm fast on set. Kasi nagsimula yun dahil sa mga service aces nila eh.
Exactly. And the BFP has a foot in on this match and takes a 1 set to Lumley. We'll be back with your second set.
All right, so we are back, and this is the match between the BFP Lady Firefighters against the SSS Pension Protectors. The first set went BFP's way in 18 minutes. Mabilis lang siya. At ito yung kwento nun. Sa attacks, may kita mo, ang laki ng difference. 10 points, 16 attack points sa BFP because they had more controlled first balls. Sir, the momentum started with the aces, actually. Kung hindi kasi siya aces, na out of system nila ang SSS. That's why they're able to dictate kung saan manggagaling yung mga atake ng SSS. At kung minsan, na-over na lang ng SSS yung bola because nga, they drive a hard offense, talking about BFP. So, napapagalaw nila ng husto ang SSS on the floor. So, let's see kung makakapag-adjust ang SSS in the second set.
And considering that they are playing with a depleted
Yes.
crew here today, they didn't do that badly. It was 25-18, just a few breaks, unable to tide them over. So second set is just about ready to begin. You're watching the UNTV Volleyball League. Steph Sarmenta here together with Chiqui Pablo, and one first of 3 matches here today.
Exciting itong match na to because you know na SSS gusto niyang bumawi sa second set.
And they they may not make it to the next round, but they want to end their season with a noteworthy performance as well. Our second game is the winless DFA emissaries go up against the PNP, and the day will be completed with the Judiciary, the lively, always buoyant Judiciary team going up against the defending champion AFP squad. Here's Camacho, serve the second set, and we have a first drop. Reforma got to it. Samuang on courts, Proferosa unable to handle it.
Alam mo, sarap panoorin ni Larion because ang galing niyang receiver, tas ngayon, ang galing niyang setter. Kabisado niya kung ano yung gusto ni Sangmuang.
Tingin ko pag-practice siya yung second six setter.
Pwede. Oo.
Tinaas. Saka meron siyang palakpak. Mababa ang hataw ni Reforma. Si Larion may palakpak setter
Oo nga, you're right.
Lakas niyang maging courage. Samantala, 1-0 ang ating score dito sa second set. Ito na naman yung mga dancer. Kugulo nitong mga to.
Happy sila, baka may party mamaya.
Alam mo, pag nagkasunog, tapos kayo sumasayaw. I'm kidding, of course, but I'm sure they know what to do. The score is 2-1. BFP already in front by 1 as Gang Abellana will serve.
Si Abellana ang number 9 in service aces after the first round.
And you were saying?
Ayan. And that's the reason why, di ba? Nasa top 10 siya for service aces.
Bokaya, by the way, is in already as the alternate libero, and that is misfired. The BFP now leads by 3.
Dito mo yung bola niya, hindi gumagalaw eh. It's flat and it's clean. Kaya mabigat siya i-receive.
Hindi lumulutang eh. Mabigat yan pag lumanding. Ito mo ha. Boom.
Oh?
Boom. Ayan o. Ayan, isa na namang alas. 4-point lead.
Siguro sa training ng BFP, matagal sila sa service.
Alamang. 4 ang labang ng Lady Firefighters. Yun, nakuha na rin. Darion sets it up, but they are unable to attack. Here comes Malinog, slaps it over. Reforma, problematic space. Sangmuang on courts. Down the middle we go with Kainglet. That is hit. Long.
So si Kainglet, being the second setter of BFP, iniikot niya yung bola giving everybody a chance to score for their team.
The last game they played, they had Kainglet as the starting setter. So that's how flexible this lineup is. There's a nice tap, but kept alive by Seiya. Salarda is there. Becomes a middle attack. And it's long, however.
No, that was a good idea kasi alam niya si Sang Wang was in front of her, binabantayan siya, so inilagan niya. It just went wide.
And the serve will belong to Reforma. Grace Ann's serve is high up and in the hands of Paperosa. And too hot. Too hot to handle.
Again, no, ang BFP, kaya makikita mo sila pag binabantayan mo yung score, hindi masyadong parate na merong double digits kasi nababalanse yung
Good
yung
point.
attacks.
Yeah. And that's now what makes them hard to defend because you
Right.
don't know who will be their main attacker.
Right.
And it's
Good
still
save.
alive from deep down on the floor. It becomes an attack for Pitoy and they get the point through a more difficult route. 6-4 count.
Kaya si Pitoy nakita niya may dalawang blockers sa harapan niya. So, instead of challenging the blockers, hindi masyadong malakas yung palo niya Pinatama lang niya sa tips ng fingers ng
At
blockers.
saka almost placing ang ginawa.
Oo.
Apat, 4-6 ang count. Here's a whip. Larion. Samosino. Sang Wang is blocked. And Sang Wang is not to be denied.
Si Sang Wang hindi siya natakot, no? So usually kasi pag may mga players na nabablock, di ba you second guess yourself at the second time kasi may blocker, baka mablock na naman yung palo mo. But Sang Wang, kahit na na-block siya, tuloy-tuloy pa rin.
I've been blocked by the world.
Oo nga. Good
Uh-oh.
dig.
Oh! Camacho couldn't hoist it high. Not her usual shot.
Kaya alam mo na ang coverage ng SSS is crucial. Dahil madaming ang artillery itong BFP at isang blocker, kung wala kang coverage, hindi mo ma-maintain na buhay ang bola.
Nakakatawa si Sang Wang, tinuturuan niya si Salarda how to enter and how to exit as libero. Usually the libero and most of the time replaces the middle blocker. But kung minsan, pasok na ng pasok. Nakakalimutan ng tao, nasa loob pa siya. So may procedure yan 7 against 5. 5 belongs to the SSS. Abellana. They'll have to heave it over. Here comes the set. Madalugdog. And kicked over by Salarda. Another long rally. Cleanly done.
You know, si Preferosa kanina, the first time she hit the ball, she wasn't satisfied with it. Nung binigyan siya ulit ni Kainglet, ayan na, nagkaroon na siya ng full swing. At saka yung approach niya, mas buo. That's why she was able to deliver.
8-5 after Preferosa's first point. That's a wicked serve, but it's out of control though. Ai has a report. Ai, go.
7 Chiki, usapang Coach Tan naman tayo mula sa SSS Pension Protectors. Alam natin kung gaano kamahal ang volleyball ni Coach Tan from stands to indoor. Nabanggit niya sa akin ang tungkol sa training ng team at kung sino pang players ang bibigyan niya ng exposure. Sa training, lahat ng pwedeng i-improve ay gagawa ng paraan at may tiwala siya sa buong team, hindi lang kay Pitoy. Mahalaga sa kanila na ine-enjoy nila ang pagkakataong makalaro ngayong season. Outside volleyball naman, Coach Tan is working for SSS as a junior IT specialist pero sabi nga niya, hindi na mawawala sa sistema niya ang volleyball kahit anong mangyari at kahit after office hours pa yan, kapag may time, mas pipiliin pa rin niya maglaro. 7 Chiki?
Tingnan mo naman figura ni Coach Tan. Itsura pa lang.
Correct.
Either setter or libero.
Once a volleyball player, always a volleyball player.
At saka checkin mo yung lower back. Malamang masakit.
Oo nga.
Diba?
Oo.
Kaka-down through the... Diba?
Kakabend.
Sabi ng mga coaches, stay down, stay down.
Correct.
9 against 7, sorry. Nice on 2. Creative. Proferosa.
Nicely done.
Second point.
Proferosa reading the defense of SSS. Nakita niya dalawa ang blocker sa harapan niya, butas ang likod, and that's where she put the ball.
Ooh. Kainglet bungles it. Di yata siya na nakakonsentrate mabuti. Anyway, it happens.
Yeah.
We've got Pausea all set to serve. That block, but kept in play by Madalugdog. Kainglet makes it a set. That's a tough angle to work with for Abiliana. Reforma chewed up by the blocking at the net.
Pero ang ganda nung adjustment ni Abellana doon because Kainglet's set was a little bit wide. She had to lie down in the air to put that ball in.
Parang paglipad niya, bahala na!
Oh.
But she, I'm sure, created that. First ball is a mess. Second ball, a disaster. And it now becomes a 12-8 count.
Kita mo, iba-iba talaga sila who can deliver service aces. It's not just one or two players.
And Madalugdog already with 3 points since coming in off the bench. Amosino with the set. Elevated down the middle. Good down the middle strike. That time by Panay Aldolfo. Timeout by SSS. Tuning in time.
Wala namang ginagawang kakaiba yung kalaban eh. Ha? Jin, setter tayo. Huwag mo kunin yung second ball. Papalo ka din eh. Pag umangat, Grace, over nyo lang. Huwag nyo pilitin na paluin na malakas, ha? Huwag nyo kalimutang i-swing.
Pag i-over nyo, itulak nyo na maigi. Hindi talaga papasok pagka dinampihan nyo lang. Tulak nyo na, pasok nyo na.
Guys, sa depensa, ilang beses ko na sinabi sa inyo, ang bola, hindi lang tatapat sa inyo. Kayo ang pupunta sa bola, hindi naman yan, sige, receive nyo, palo kayo. Hindi ganun. Gagalaw talaga kayo. Kahit nakapesto na kayo, nasa pesto na kayo, andun yung bola, gagalawan nyo pa din yun. Double effort lagi sa depensa. Ngayon, first ball. Kailangan natin ng first ball. Wala nga tayong setter. Kailangan lalo natin ng first ball. Go, go.
Double time, double time.
Boy, those are all logical points.
Yeah. Dapat talaga double effort sa defense, especially now na wala talaga silang setter. Kailangan yung bola kasi nila hindi mabalis ang pagpunta sa setter. And you can control that by the way that you receive the ball.
At
You can
saka-
slow it down.
Double time sa depensa because yung bola, kailangan lapitan mo pa rin eh. No?
Oo.
Samantala, that's Camacho. She gets the ball and it's lifted high by Kainglet. Proferosa, tough angle to work with. It's tapped out.
Sabi nga ni Coach for SSS, dapat din i-control nila yung unforced errors.
Yeah.
See, that's a free point given to your opponent. So let your opponent work for their point. Ooh.
In the meantime, Samosina sends it into the net. It becomes a 14-9 second set. First set went the way of the BFP, 25-18. Ivy Proferosa with her serve. Sangwang, bungled by Laurion.
May instruction kasi kanina si Coach na huwag kukunin ng second ball sa setter yon. Unless of course, help sasabihin ng setter. Then that's when you can get the ball, the second ball.
And apologetic din si Peter because it wasn't exactly a hot first ball. This is problematic. I know it. And the gentle tap by Sumalinog.
Si Sumalinog parang, okay, I got it. Parang ganun lang siya when she got yung regalo. Eto, tignan natin. Napakaganda nung serve ni Proferosa that created that regalo and there it goes.
Ito yung gentle rampa.
Oo.
Hindi mayabang pero it means a lot. 16-10, however, as that last point is taken by the SSS. Camacho. Oh. Too casual. Too casual.
Oo nga.
Ay, ano meron?
7 Chiki, let's talk about Coach Franz Bautista from BFP. Alam nyo ba na dapat kasali siya sa team lineup pero dahil sa spine injury from work, she had to sit out and support the team off game. Habang pinapanood niya ang first game nila against SSS, hindi siya mapakali na makita ang team na nagsastruggle. Kinausap siya ng BFP officers about the game at sinabi niya kung ano ang pwedeng gawin para gumanda ang laro ng team. Next thing she knew, siya na ang head coach ng BFP. Bukod sa pagiging coach, member siya ng Fire Arson Squad at siya ay isang fire statistician. She also conducts lecture on fire arson investigation. Outside work, licensed financial advisor din siya sa Sun Life of Canada. And 7 Chiki, ngayong araw nga she's celebrating her birthday. UVL fam would like to greet you a happy birthday, Coach Franz Bautista.
Thank you very much, Ai, and they're hoping that they can present the coach with a win here today. Tama ka storya mo, no? I remember she did not start as their official coach. And the change was made. In the meantime, a host of players will be on the floor. So many changes and a lot of getting an opportunity to play here today.
Wow, may spine injury na pala si Coach Franz, ano? Ayan, the birthday girl. Kasi because of work. Wow, so ang galing ng BFP natin, buwis buhay talaga.
And as Ira Pablo reported last time, they have different levels of work. I mean, rescue, medical, not necessarily fire. Kasi kung minsan pagka may earthquake, kasali din ng BFP
right. Hindi yata na-record. So, ulitin.
Alam mo kung bakit matagal to? Kasi sinusulat.
Yes.
Laki niya score sheet na yan, ha? Hindi ako nagbibiro. Hindi, talaga. Laki niyan. Kasi hanggang 5 sets yan, eh.
Right.
Pag nananalo, ang gulo, no? Ang gulo nyo! Ang gulo-gulo nyo!
Laki ng tawa nila, no? They're having fun.
Nahihilo ko sa inyo, eh. Sangwang, ang gulo-gulo nyo!
Wow, you know what? Sangwang had 3 blockers in front of her, but she still managed to find the gap. Let's look at that. There you go. Arms were in the air. They were over the net, pero nahanap niya yung butas.
Sinisigawan niya. Sinisigawan niya yung libero. Hoy! Paalam ka ba ayos?
Ayan, kaya dapat ulitin na naman ang kanilang pag-substitute. There you go.
May ano yan, eh. May stutter step yan. Kita mo yan kay Don Macandili at saka kay Denden Lazaro. Hinto sandali para makita ng official table yung palit.
Hindi pwede, hindi yung tuloy-tuloy.
Dahil lang pasok ka ng pasok sa cafeteria, kakain ka kagad. Hoy! ID mo.
Ayan.
ID mo nasaan?
Na yellow card na sila because that's delay of game. Kasi nga, mali yung pasok. Kanina kasi natawag na sila dyan eh.
Si Rep, ano nga pangalan ng ating first rep?
Ang ating first ref, si Joy Imus.
Si Joy, parang principal sa grade school yan eh.
Nakabantay.
Umuulan na naman siguro sa labas.
Paano mo alam?
Rotation error. Ito, hindi na pakan si referee today.
Okay. There was a...
Jump ball?
Jump ball.
Replay the point ba?
Replay.
Replay the point. Jump ball lang tawag ko dyan kuminsan. Wala. Nasira ang concentration nila rin.
Mababa din yung tapon niya dun sa service.
SSS behind by 7. Need a timeout.
Focus kayo. Dan ano yun? Ang bilis pa ng takbo mo eh. Hindi nyo ba alam na dito dadaan?
Kanina pa kayo nagpapalitan doon, hindi nyo pa natatandaan.
Dito lang dadaan. Dalawang pinapalitan ng libero, laging patakbo, laging nagmamadali. Tayo lang nagkakamali ng ganyan.
Focus na lang.
Ganito, yung kalaban nyo, pinasok yung 7-6. Ngayon, mahirapan na sila ibalik hanggang 6 lang yung sub.
Wala nang balik yan.
Hindi nila may babalik yun, ha? Kung kaya natin habulin to, isa-isay natin. Okay?
Binigay na sa atin yan, i-grab nyo na.
Ilaban natin to, ha? Wala mo nang
Hindi na sila, wala nang
less error. Service natin. Huwag natin sayangin. Naghahabol tayo eh.
Pasok muna. Hindi, pasok muna. Kasi dapat pasok muna. Okay, sige. Dapat pasok muna.
So yung services, dapat kailangan ipasok. Kasi otherwise, diba, free point na naman yun para sa kalaban. Kailangan mag-focus, sabi ni Coach Nan. Tsaka, second six na to ng BFP, so they have to take advantage. Ilang malalim ang bench ng BFP, kahit ang second six, matindi.
Actually, at saka laging present itong mga
Oo.
kompleto lagi. Alam mo yung hirap mag-coach pag kulang-kulang.
Yes.
Madalugdog finds the spot and brings them to 20.
I like the way she hits the ball. Kasi dala ng clip niya, may dalang arte yung palo niya. And she was able to get that point because she tooled the block.
Jen Sumalinog serving. Battle at the net. Oh, good job by Samosina battling there. And the spot is delivered by Pakure.
Wow! You know, that was not a strong hit. That was a good set by Josmilio. Pero plinacing lang niya sa gitna. Yan yung mga yun yung mga areas na walang nagbabantay. 1, 6, at saka between 4 and 5.
Hilda doesn't get a lot of touches in playing time, but they get a kick out of her scoring every time she gets a chance to do so. Nice angle by Sang Muang. And that is mishandled by the BFP. We have Camacho returning back in on the side of the SSS. Suba is drawn out. Daming ang wala sa SSS, ano?
Oo, madami.
Peña, Guillermo. Uh-oh. Case of whose ball is it anyway? Free ball forthcoming. Chance for the SSS. Net slap by Camacho.
Trying to be aggressive at the net kasi nga tatlo yung kanyang blockers. Unfortunately, the tip of her finger touched the tape of the net. And that was called. Point for BFP.
Uh-oh. Madalugdog keeping it alive. Gentle tap that time by Bentic. Osmelio with a save! Delivered by Madalugdog.
Nasakal tuloy siya. That was a good set again.
Yan ang happiness ng BFP. Pag may nagagawa sila maganda, nagsasakalan sila.
Alam mo, mababa ang sets ni Josmilio because she's trying to run fast plays.
Yes, I agree.
Chance ball.
Yan, baba nga. Net touch.
Yeah.
Net touch. And we arrive at set point.
Camacho trying to stop the attack of Bentic, but again, tumama lang siya sa net.
Hilda Pakure. And we're done. So, go ahead.
No, I was just gonna say, see, again, if it's not the service ace, it's a kind of service that brings SSS out of system. Kaya ito yung mga nangyayari, nawawala sila sa position nila, nawawala sila sa atake nila. And BFP just takes advantage of it.
And it's a 2-set lead to none by the BFP against the SSS.
Alright, so we continue the game between the BFP and Lady Firefighters and the SSS Pension Protectors, who just ended the second set in 22 minutes. BFP again taking that set 25-13. At ang kwento niyan ay eto. Look at the attack points, 10 as opposed to 5. Again, ang ganda kasi talaga ng control ng bola ng BFP from reception to the setting to the hits. And look at the service aces. Ang BFP kasi, kung hindi siya aces, ano siya, out of system, fino-force niya mag-out of system ang SSS. At kapag out of system na ang SSS, ibig sabihin nun, hinahabol na nila yung second ball. At pag hinahabol na nila yung second ball, chances are, mas mataas mag-commit ng error, hindi nabibigay sa gusto nilang attacker. Kaya mas mabilis ang putos ng BFP. And one more thing that I noticed, yung setters nila, mababa ang sets na binibigay sa kanilang mga attackers because they're really controlling the tempo of this game. Yung momentum, kinukuha nila agad with their service aces and then they maintain the momentum by going for faster plays. And that's why you see the middle hitters of BFP always getting the ball. Kasi nga, mabilis ang play kapag sa gitna binibigay ang bola. Yan.
Okay, hard to make adjustments if you are kulang.
Yes.
So it's they'll just have to make do. That's why they're pushing each other. Eh. 'Di ba? Kasi hindi nila familiar yung position na yan eh.
Oo.
That's not what they normally do. So they come in for another player actually. So they're trying to double up eh.
Yes. Samantalang ang BFP, kabisado na nila ang zones nila, walang absent, mukhang wala rin injured, wala namang report.
At alam mo, kompleto ito. Kaya hindi problema sa kanila ang kanilang record. Pinakamainit ito sa ating tournament, 9 straight wins. And, after today, they will be down to just one game. Tama ba ako? Titingnan ko yung team standings. 9-3. So 12. Pag 13 ito. So one more game after this. Nice track down by Reforma. Seiya has a hand on it. Nice tap. Energetic follow by Seiya, who fires away. Magpantay is there. Back roll. Another long rally. Let's see who will blink here. Cross court. Seiya. Doon.
But you gotta love the effort, diba? Of both Seiya and Sangwang for that ball.
Natawa si Pitoy. Hi, buhay. Hi, buhay.
Alright. So now, BFP gets to serve and we have Jen Sumalinog serving.
1-0.
Again, another out of system play. Yan kasi when you say mine, commit to it.
You mean it?
Tsaka di ba may unspoken rule yan? Pag ikaw yung unang nag-mine, pwede mong itulak yung kakampi mo eh.
Hindi mine. Yours yan. Iyon na. Ayoko. Patay. Sabi ko na nga ba yung ganong gulong? 3-0.
Ang dami niyan kanina in the previous set. Kung hindi siya clean ace, it's an out of system na regalo ang binibigay sa BFP.
Pitoy gets it back to the other side. Seiya. Where am I going? Where else? Cross court is handled well by Josmilio. Counter cross court. Kept in play. Navarro, by the way, is there for the SSS. It's in the air. It doesn't cross. First point of the Pension Protectors.
Pero you gotta love what BFP is doing, di ba? Nag-run sila ng double play eh. Ayan, that was supposed to be, dapat tumalun dun si Adolfo.
They were successful with it a couple of instances. This is too strong. You can tell that it was going to be too much. Pause with too much ketchup on it. And we've got Josmilio. Nice first ball.
Nice set.
And Magpantay keeping it in play. Tossed high into the air by Pane Adolfo. Sangwang will slap it over. Josmilio keeps it alive. long.
May kita mo si Samwang, no? Nagba-block siya pag kailangan niya mag-block. Pero tinitingnan niya yung, yung attacker, yung forma ng kamay, yung approach. Pag malalaman niya kung hindi na kailangan, i-block. Magaling magbasa.
Ng taon niyang ginawa yan.
Oo.
That is deflected. That is what you want for the block to do. But she's chewed up by the counter block. SSS unable to lift it anymore. And the BFP leads by 3.
Oh, yung key doon kasi when the ball is near the net is you scoop it out of the net pero high, scoop it out and high para mahabol pa ng mga kakampi.
Here's Panay Adolfo. Seiya yelling at her teammate. Samwang with a dig. Hosmedio neatly done by Abellana.
Yes. Ganda nung basa ni Abellana. There goes that setup. Kita mo talagang intentionally linagay niya yan sa zone 4 eh. Kasi talagang malaki yung butas.
Young Abellana leads all scorers with 10. And another point for the BFP.
Yes, it's the serve receive that's the problem now for SSS. Hindi talaga nila makontrol ang services ng BFP. Kaya ilang regalo na yan eh.
Correct. Loaded serve in play. Samwang will fire. Abellana is there. Makes it a set. Good chase down by Samosino. Osmilio elevates it.
Nice dig.
And it's down on the ground and gone.
You know, medyo nag-adjust pa dun si Adolfo eh. Pero nahanap pa rin niya yung butas.
Ai has a report.
Pag-usapan naman natin ang madalas nating best player of the game si Gang Abellana from the Lady Firefighters. Natanong ko siya paano siya naging part ng BFP. Dumaan siya sa normal process ng pag-apply sa government with all the exams and eligibility. At naging edge na din siguro ni Gang ang pagiging varsity player before. Blessing rin na naghahanap ang Bureau ng Volleyball Players after ng kanilang medical exam. Inspirasyon ni Gang ang kanyang pamilya lalo na't hindi sila well off at gusto niya talagang magtrabaho for the government. Gang loves to stay physically fit. Lagi talaga siyang nagja-jogging. She's a coffee lover and loves participating sa mga one-day league volleyball at dun siya gumagaling. She's also a fur mom of 2, si Z-Boy and Maddie. 7, Chiki?
Gawa ng iba eh. Ayaw niyong gawin yung pwesto niyo. Shell, short ball ka. Pag sinet sa'yo, papalo. Hinahabol mo ng digpas eh. Di ka uma-approach. Sayang nga yung ensayo eh. Sayang nga yung ensayo natin. Ha?
Kaya receive muna tayo. Yung receive para sa para maka-step. Kaya SSS!
Sayang yung ensayo. Hindi makakalain na mawawala yung ibang player. Ganun lang talaga. Ai, salamat. And I'll look at the team standings and where everybody is. Medyo mababa ang SSS at hindi talaga aabot.
Oo. Ang BFP mukhang pasok na siya talaga.
They will be 10-3 most likely if they hang on here and with 1 game to go. Samwang. Well done by Seiya, who's improving with every game. Samwang in the joust and getting the better of that exchange.
Yeah, Mamangon going up against Samwang. Pero si Samwang kasi nakita mo mas una niyang nahawakan yung bola kaya mas malaki yung grip niya sa bola and she was able to push that ball first and harder. Kaya nanalo siya sa joust.
The last,
unfortunately.
I just wanted to mention that the last game of the BFP will be against the Comelec on June 5. That's about 2 weeks from now. But you're right, they're almost in sa ating next round. Top 4 ang hinahanap po natin. Ano, ha? Down the middle we go. Oh, that's a push. Good call.
It's a catch and lift.
Nung araw po, lifting.
Correct.
Ting, nagwawala yung coach ng kalaban.
Ngayon mas descriptive.
Catch and pass. Alam mo naman, count on the FIVB to make it more dignified.
Yes. There's,
Kasi guy nung double. Dati sigaw lang na sigaw, double! Now
Ayun.
it became double contact. Ay! 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 Ay!
Usually kasi libero talaga has to take, has to be aggressive in terms of
naman.
serve receiving.
Medyo, alam mo, libero, medyo greedy ka dapat eh.
Oo.
To a certain extent, ha? Walang masama dun. Kasi yung una mong trabaho is to keep the ball in play.
Yes.
Ala! SSS falling apart completely here. And they've fallen behind by 9 here in the third. They have a 2-set-to-love lead. Ala! Saya jumping into the ball.
Yeah.
And she bungled it. 10-point lead.
Sabi nga ni Sang Muang andyan yung libero sa likod mo. Okay, so the reception, the libero of SSS is going to handle it.
Tina Diaz has drifted out and replaced by Ivy Praferosa.
Nice serve.
Yes, solid.
Yeah.
Sayang, hindi tinamaan yung floor director natin. Another SSS timeout coming up.
Mabigat talaga yung serve, pero hindi naman pwedeng laging namamatay. Isipin muna natin. Tapos patay natin, tapos ikot tayo. Okay. Abang kayo na unti. Tulong na. Huwag niyo ibigay muna sa iba.
Taasan nyo lang. Huwag nyo na ipiliting umabot sa center pagka mabigat. Itaas nyo, tsaka yung over.
Okay. Dikit natin yung score ha, isa-isa.
Go, 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 go.
SS! Team!
Oo nga, mas mabuti na yung itaas na lang yung bola from the serve of BFP. Kasi at least yon may chance na buhay pa siya, mahahabol ng kakampi mo. Compared to pag you try to give a strong ball na hindi mo na-control sa setter mo, chances are it'll go to the net o kaya mabibigay mo as a regalo. Kaya mas mabuti na yung makakapag-run pa kayo kahit paano ng play. So itaas na lang yung bola.
Here comes the serve.
Yan.
And playable. Say it.
Oh,
That's it, short.
unfortunately. Ang sinasabi nga ng coaches paluin. Diba? Do not be afraid to commit errors.
Siguro, naapektuhan din si Say. Nakita niya yung block papunta sa kanya eh. So that makes you think. Ano meron?
Seven, Chiki, I talked to Pause, one of the outside hitters of the SSS Pension Protectors. I asked her kung may pre-game ritual sila and she said with a smiling face na they always pray and ask for guidance. Siyempre sasamahan na din nila ng hard work para ipanalo ang bawat match. Pau started playing volleyball from elementary hanggang college. Naglaro din siya for TUP Manila as an opposite hitter. Sabi niya katulad ni Coach Tan, ang main goal niya ay makatulong sa team para mapanalo ang bawat laban, mag-enjoy at mapaganda ang team chemistry. Seven, Chiki?
Ayun, hindi chemistry, biology yun. Kasi yung bola nalaglag doon sa gitna. Layo.
Physics.
Walang ayun, physics yun. Yun naman ang tama. 18-4. Walang biology ron, Physics yun. Ito, tinaas ni Reforma. Sang Muang. And Saya. Keeps it in play. Kick set. Wow! Well done! Solid delivery that time. AJ Mabangon.
Ganda ng setup ni Josmilio kay Mamangon. Look at that. Again, another short setup there for a faster play. It is perfect for Mamangon.
And SSS score has been pegged at 4. That serve, however, is out of control. She was experimenting, actually. Taiglet will come back in. Bakure will come back in as well. Uulitin. Sino captain? Yeah.
Si Kainglet is the game captain for BFP.
Kasi po yung captain lang ang pwedeng sumangguni o magtanong o kumausap sa ating mga referee.
Oh.
That's double contact.
Ang double contact, makikita mo rin yun sa ikot ng bola eh.
Yes, indeed. Una, hindi lilipad. Pangalawa, gegewang-gewang. 3, hindi tama yung spin ng bola.
Oh, good
2 straight
serve.
points, yeah.
That is a good serve by Samosino.
Mandalugdog will come back in and pull out Pane Adolfo. BFP, few steps away from the finish line for the match, but has lost the last 2 points. Mandalugdog, Kainglet, that's going to fly over. That's not what she wanted. Sang Muang, set by Kainglet, rejected. Pakure adjusts. Say a top angle, made do. Good reach by Samosino. Also a good reach by Navarro. Sang Muang says, I've seen that a million times in my life. Say to the other end. And Pakure takes care of scoring her second point.
What happened there? Pakure went up for that hit. Kaliwete siya, no? Yun yung problem when you get the ball high tsaka pa side. Wala kang control masyado nun eh.
Yes.
That's why the coaches are always saying, be fast in your movement para laging squared ang shoulders mo dun sa pumapalo.
Pakure with fingers on it. Continues to stay with it. And in the end, SSS unable to return it.
Pero may kita mo yung galaw ng SSS eh, no? Mahirap yung mga bolang pumupunta sa kanila, but they're trying. Especially when the ball is close to the net.
Mamangon serve. Saya is there. Laurion, short by Reforma.
And you could see BFP is really just having fun, playing, very relaxed volleyball.
Too much fun. Well, their confidence just overflowing because they have been unstoppable since losing their first 3 matches. Well done. Well done.
Good aggressive hit there by Seiya, pushing that ball to an open zone. Zone 1. There we go.
And Proferosa had nobody else to share the agony of that one with. Looked long, but Magpantay committed to it already. Mandalugdog. Larion will go to Sangmuang. Magpantay gets to it. Good blast, but long.
Yeah. Too much firepower there kay Sumalino.
Reforma's been having problems with their serve, and that'll make it 23-9.
Medyo na-frustrated doon si Sangmuang.
Yeah, kita mo yun.
Oo.
But I'm sure she's managing her expectations.
Yes.
Level of achievement niya naman. She's trying her earnest best. Nice move by Larion.
Yes.
Actually. Proferosa. Nice job by Salarda. Attack, rejected, recoil, reset, and recalibrated here. Saya, nowhere to go. Sangmuang, Larion says go away. Hala.
Good save.
And it's outside, however.
Good back bend there by Seiya. Talagang naiwasan niya yung bolang. Good eye.
Hello.
Ayun.
Pilita Corrales.
Oo nga.
To another generation that may not know Pilita Corrales.
Aawitan kita.
Paki-YouTube nyo na lang po.
Good serve.
Pantay unable to get to it. And SSS finally goes beyond 10 points.
Service failed.
Too low.
And we arrive at match point.
Good clean volleyball requirement yan para sa SSS. But you could see no in their faces, let's just relax and play good volleyball.
And look forward to the rest of the afternoon.
Oo.
At least pinawisan tayo. Good effort. Someone
Yes.
drops it into the campfire there.
Yes. They are still alive. Larion now. Ito underhand serve to. So you will expect a fast offense from BFP.
But Charisse Wang with 12 points. Not that many today. Sangwang saves a match point.
Yun yung gusto mo kay Sangwang, di ba? Na kahit na ba 24 na yung kalaban mo, hindi. Talagang she'll play to the best of her ability pa rin. Never give up.
Buhay pa tayo. Huwag
Yes.
kang mag-alala. And she's signaling the play that she wants. They'll go to her. Huh? They get a nice first ball here. Yep, they will. You see? You see?
Yes.
And she apologized to the other side for maybe somebody got hurt. Let's listen to the BFP. And she's going to probably say, wag nyo nang patagalin. Ano ba? Birthday ko ngayon. But I'm guessing.
Isa na lang yan. Hinga muna kayo. Hinga.
Happy birthday, Sir Katie.
Masyadong mataas yung mamamalo niya sa harapan. Abangan nyo ha.
See you on your party later. Hello po, R4A. Tara, ma'am.
Sino nga nasa likuran?
Kami
Abang
ni
kayo.
Mamaya.
Nakatayo kayo lahat kanina, ha? Abangan, please.
Happy birthday, Mami Mahal. Happy birthday, Mami Mahal.
Let's go. Tapusin nyo, no? Huwag tayo masyadong relax, ha? Kasi
Isa
hindi
na
pa
lang
tapos,
po,
ha?
isa na lang
Let's
po.
go. Fire!
Isa po.
Alam mo, we tease them. Napaka-playful nitong BFP.
Oo.
Alam mo, mama, they just love. Well, if you're on a 9-game winning streak, why not?
Yeah.
And,
Saka party ng pinag-uusapan no?
lagay ko after today, and they look like they will make their 10th straight win.
Yeah.
With the Comelec as their last opponent, they should be in for a test, but they will be in the next round. There's no question about it.
Yeah. Saka in the next round, maganda ang pasok nila kasi may momentum sila.
Sobra. Saka ako na high.
Oo.
So,
Service Larion.
Susan Rebecca Larion serving. Raferosa with the left-handed strike. Sang Muang. Painglet. Madalugdog. And we're done.
Madalugdog was one of those who said, "Party, happy birthday," kay Coach. And she delivered that last point with a tip. Sangwang was there and she recognized Sangwang. Kaya niya tinulak papunta sa gitna yung bola.
Okay, it's a straight sets. Straight sets pa rin tayo, no?
Oo.
Straight sets win by the BFP for win number 10 against 3 losses. Sino ang best player natin?
Of course, si Ganga Beliana.